Hello, welcome back to IT Security Labs, and today we are still doing the Advent of Cyber Challenge 2022 from Tryhackme, and on day 3 we will be focusing on OSINT. It says here, as the elves are trying to recover the compromised Santa's gift shop website, Elf Recon McRed is trying to figure out how it was compromised in the first place. So we're going to be using OSINT to find this information through publicly available sources, and I highly encourage everybody to read through this to define what OSINT is and how people do OSINT. But we'll jump straight to the task at hand here. It says, what is the name of the registrar for the domain santasgiftshop.com? We can do a simple who is record lookup. So let's use domain tools here and do a who is, and this is what you normally do if you want to find out information about the domain. All right, so as you can see, the registrar here is Namecheap Inc., and that's what's being asked right here. Okay, I think they don't like the comma. There we go. Okay, find the website source code repository on github.com and open the file containing sensitive credentials. So we know it's santasgiftshop.com. We need to search for it on github.com, on all of GitHub. Okay, there's two. Source code of Santas. Okay, so it's this one. All right, so we can read through. Like it says, this repository contains source code for production and QA website santasgiftshop.com. Only legitimate members, developers are allowed to access the website and make changes. The config file contains credentials for the database, so we're going to check it out. Here are some domains: qa.santasgiftshop.com. Read through the config file that they say contains passwords. Config.php. Okay, so here's the database. Here's the database password. Can you find the flag? Is the flag in the? Oh yeah, it's right here. So the flag is this one, right at the top of the source code. So we always want to read the source code if we have it. All right, what is the name of the file? That's config.php. What is the QA name of server associated with the website? Is that in here? I think it's this one, qa.santasgiftshop.com. It's in the same format. What is the DB password that is being reused between QA and prod environments? So let's check it out. So this is the password, Santa 2022. Yep, it's being used up here and also down here. So we will give them the password. All right, so the moral of the story here is we need to be able to search for publicly available information, doing some OSINT if we need to find information about a target. And this is part of the recon section. We have completed day 3, and if you really like this, please follow along and subscribe to my channel. These challenges definitely gets harder and harder as the time goes on. So this time they're easy, but subscribe and you'll be notified when I post the next one. See you tomorrow.